A very special project is coming to Marbella. Only moments away from the center of Marbella, the unique residential community AMALA is being built. Located at the heart of the Costa del Sol in southern Spain, among the best services you might need, AMALA gives you the feeling of living in the midst of a nature retreat, while being only minutes away from the vibrant Puerto Banús and some of the most sought-out golf courses in the world. Surrounded by some of Andalusia's most stunning nature, AMALA boasts breathtaking views of the surrounding lakes, the mountain, as well as panoramic sea views. At AMALA, we have created an environment designed to clear the way for peace and tranquility, which ensures unmatched levels of security to our residents. Where the highest standards of luxury living meet the beauty of Mother Nature. AMALA is a delight of contemporary architecture. Concierge service, a fully equipped gym and 5-star spa, and an extensive variety of activities curated by our team can be enjoyed within our gated community. In the nature that surrounds us, you can enjoy exciting outdoor activities for you and your family. AMALA, meaning purity in Sanskrit, believes in making sure that a healthy, conscious and active lifestyle remains at the disposal of our residents. Welcome to AMALA, where nature and luxury come together to offer you a life of serenity.